So what is this that we're doing right now?
Well, right now I'm about to disengage the springs.
Okay.
And what I do is I put a little through bolt through the track so that it'll hold the door up. That way when I take the springs off, the door doesn't come crashing down.
Gotcha.
But the springs have to be disconnected because we're replacing the bottom panel. And the bottom panel is connected to the springs. So you definitely don't want to start taking the bottom panel off without taking the springs down.
What could happen if you do?
If you do, the spring will have all the tension on it, and the consequences could be terrible. What'll happen is if you unscrew this plate here, this is what the springs mount to. If the door's in the down position, then all the tension is going to be on the springs, and if you start messing with this right here, this piece will fly through the air like a catapult, and whatever it hits will be damaged by it.
So you kind of have a dangerous job at some points.
Yeah, the springs especially is very, very dangerous.
Okay.
This is just my way of doing it. There's tons of different ways to do this, but just my way.